Welcome back to Bike Buzzing, your go-to spot for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving into one of Harley-Davidson's most iconic models, the 2025 Heritage Classic. With its blend of retro styling and modern performance, the Heritage Classic continues to turn heads on the road. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a standout in the world of cruisers. A timeless design with modern touches, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic carries forward the timeless design that has made the Heritage line a fan favorite. Its vintage-inspired styling, with classic fenders, chrome accents, and a leather saddle, evoke the spirit of Harley-Davidson's rich history. However, it doesn't just stop at nostalgia. This model brings forward some contemporary elements. Newer LED lighting, a refined front fork design, and an improved sleek profile give the bike an updated edge. The Heritage Classic seamlessly blends old-school American cruiser vibes with modern-day advancements in aesthetics and functionality. The overall look screams sophistication, with just enough rugged charm to remind you that this is still a Harley. One of the most exciting upgrades for 2025 is under the hood. The Heritage Classic now comes equipped with the Milwaukee 8 114 engine as the standard option. This powerhouse offers a smooth yet potent ride, delivering 119 lb-et of torque at just 3,000 RPM. This engine strikes the perfect balance between cruising comfort and thrilling acceleration. Whether you're cruising on the open highway or navigating through city streets, the Heritage Classic provides an effortless riding experience. The suspension has also seen improvements, offering better handling and a smoother ride, especially for long-distance travel. This makes it an ideal choice for riders who value both style and performance. Harley-Davidson knows that comfort is key for long journeys, and the 2025 Heritage Classic delivers in spades. The seat is designed to provide ample support for hours of riding, whether you're on a weekend road trip or a cross-country adventure. The handlebars are placed for an ideal riding posture, ensuring that you won't be straining after hours on the road. Additionally, the Heritage Classic features upgraded ergonomics with adjustable rider foot controls, making it easier for riders of all sizes to find their perfect fit. The cruise control and advanced suspension work in harmony to reduce rider fatigue, ensuring a relaxed ride no matter how far you travel. Technology and features. In the modern world, tech features are no longer an afterthought, and Harley-Davidson has made sure the 2025 Heritage Classic stays ahead of the curve. The bike is equipped with a state-of-the-art infotainment system featuring a 6.5-inch touchscreen display that integrates seamlessly with your smartphone via Bluetooth. This allows you to control music, navigation, and phone calls, all while keeping your hands on the handlebars and your eyes on the road. For safety, the bike comes with the latest in rider assistance technology, including ABS, cornering-enhanced traction control, and an optional security system. These features, combined with the added visibility of LED lights, make the Heritage Classic not just a looker but a very practical machine for everyday use. Customization options. As always with Harley-Davidson, the 2025 Heritage Classic offers a wide array of customization options to help you make the bike truly yours. From different paint finishes and seat styles to exhaust options and chrome details, the possibilities are endless. Harley's extensive catalog of accessories ensures that you can modify your bike to suit your personal style, whether you're into chrome bling or prefer a more understated look. One of the most exciting additions is the range of touring options, such as saddlebags, luggage racks, and enhanced lighting packages, perfect for riders looking to hit the open road with extra gear. With these upgrades, you can tailor the bike to meet your specific riding needs. For those wondering about the cost, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic starts at around $22,000. Depending on the model and customization options. It's an investment for sure, but given the performance, comfort, and iconic styling, it's a price that many Harley enthusiasts are willing to pay. The Heritage Classic is available at Harley-Davidson dealerships nationwide, so you can take a test ride and experience the legend for yourself. The 2025 Harley-Davidson Heritage Classic is a perfect blend of classic looks, modern technology, and unparalleled performance. It stands as a tribute to Harley's rich heritage, while embracing the future of motorcycling. Whether you're a longtime Harley fan or a newcomer to the brand, the Heritage Classic is sure to impress. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that subscribe button on Bike Buzzing for more in-depth motorcycle reviews and news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the road.